Hi guys, this is Partha. I'm going to show you how to create your own outlet in the basement from the main switchboard. This is our switchboard here. You can see these are all the connection or circuit breakers. These are all 20 ampere circuit breakers that's created for this is a three-story house. So all these houses, like all the bedrooms, they're all connected. So we want to first create like a three outlet in our basement. This is an extra project and I want to show you how to save money without spending too much time also. So this is the main uh, circuit breaker switch. If I switch it off, then it's going to switch off the entire house. So this is safe to do that. If you want to do it, I think that's the best thing to do if you're doing do it yourself project. But for us, we are not going to do that. We are just going to these. You can see there are some like squares, there are some rectangles here. We are going to take out three rectangles and create holes to put the circuit breaker, 20 ampere circuit breaker, and then put the wire. You can see all the wires are coming in. So we are going to take three lines or three wires. These are the wires. You can see we are going to pick up 20 gauge. You can see these are 20 gauge. These are good for 20 ampere, and then we are going to take those wires from here, and one of the wire we are going to connect it is here with the switch. We are going to just connect it here, and then we are going to connect one here and the other here. So as we go through this project, we are going to show you more. Stay tuned. So I'm going to show you the progress that we are doing. We are just putting the cable. You can see this 12 gauge cable that we are trying to just get it here and then get to the board, and then from there we are going to take this cable, the yellow cable, and just put it here. Same, this cable is going here and then putting it here. So just stay tuned. That we are doing the wiring here for the outlet, the plugs, and this is the ground that comes with the copper wire. Then we are putting the white is the neutral, and then the black one we are putting it back. The black one, you can see we are doing the black one for that's the light one, and it's very easy. Then for the safety, I think we're going to show you one more technique. Just because this is the basement, we are going to put some red tape on that so that it does not electrocute. In the basement there is a moisture or water, and we are putting like a 30 feet above the ground so that in case there is a water, it should take care of that. Thank you so much. Here now you can see that in the main switchboard, this is the panel for the ground, and then this white wires, it's going to the panel in the baseboard, that's neutral, and then the black one which is connected to the breaker, these are the light.